Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand cooktop and induction cooktop and you're getting an F8 on the display, and then the specific burners will also show the H for hot, and you're wondering what happened here, why am I getting this? So basically amongst the many different safety mechanisms that the stovetop has built into it is if you don't interact with the stove, so after a certain amount of time, it will automatically turn off for safety's sake. So if you've been cooking something, like if you're cooking something that you're simmering for a really long time and you're not touching anything on the stove, it will automatically turn off for safety because it thinks you might have forgotten it and left it on. And that's all that's happening. There's nothing you can do about it. The only thing you can do about it is just turn your stove back on and get it going again. And if you want to, if you think about it, like you should be checking on, if you're, like, say you're simmering something on the stove, you're probably coming over and checking on it at least every 30 minutes anyways. And when you do that, if you just lower and raise the heat, beep, beep, if it's on a 5, just go 4, 5, and then that will be an interaction that will reset the timer so that the stove does not time out. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.